out, we can create situations that actually change how you perceive value. We've come to this outdoor beer garden to try an experiment. We're going to see if someone would buy a $20 bill for more than $20.
Anyone here want to buy a $20 bill?
That's right. We're auctioning off an ordinary $20 bill. The rules are simple.
The first rule, the highest bidder wins.
But there's a twist.
The second place bidder will have to pay their final bid price.
In other words, both the highest bidder and the second highest bidder have to pay the amount of their final bid.
505 is back with $15.
Right now, this guy owes $15 for $20, which means he's still ahead $5. But second place owes $14 and gets nothing in return. If you had bid $14, what would you do? Lose your money or keep going? This is where things get interesting.
$16 is the bid we now have here, and $575 is in for $17.
While most of the crowd is starting to realize that something's not quite right,
it was crazy out there, so I ended up bailing out.
a few intrepid people stay in.
Number 202 is in for $18. $19. Number 4 is for $4. Come on, baby. We never saw this coming. This is incredible.
Okay, now it's down to these guys. But let's take a second and think about what's about to happen. One of these guys is going to spend $20 on a $20 bill, and the other guy is going to spend $19 on absolutely nothing. Will they keep playing or quit while they're ahead?
And there it is right there, a $20 bid.
This guy just bid $20 on the $20 bill. At this point, it's a no-win situation. One person is going to overpay for a $20 bill, and the other person is going to pay a whole lot of money for a whole lot of nothing. Will they keep bidding, or will they realize they can't win?
There it is right there. There's a $21 bid right now. Do I have a $22 bid at number 202? $22 the bid right there. 22 in the back of the room, number 202.
This auction just went from who's going to win the most to who's going to lose the least. At this point, they're just throwing away money.
4 is back there at $23. It's once again a 2-horse race. And 202 is back with a $24 bid. And there it is, a $25 bid right there. Will you give me 26? I know you got it there. 202 goes. And there it is, $27. The pride is kicking in at this point. He's rolling the dice. And there it is, $28 is the bid right now.
The unusual rules of this auction are forcing these guys to make what looks like irrational choices. What would you do in this situation?
And the 2 horses are coming around the final stretch here at the end. 202's at $38. Let's do it! And there it is, a $39 bid. So there it is, $40 right there. 202 is in the lead right now at $40 right now, $40. $40 is the bid here for the victor going twice. Sold, 202, $40.
Wow.
Amazing. This man just paid $40 to win a $20 bill, so he actually lost $20 in the process. But that's not the worst part. This guy just spent $39 and walked away with nothing but a hole in his pocket. So what's going on here?
In the first half of the auction, everyone is excited about getting the bill for less than face value. So it was potentially a great bargain. And their brains got a hit of dopamine, just like you would when you discover a great sale or find money on the street. But in the second half of the auction, something different was going on. Adrenaline kicked in as the last 2 bidders tried to salvage a bad situation. Both guys would rather overpay for the $20 and walk away a winner than spend $1 less and walk away with nothing.
The thing that kept me betting was the competitive drive, man. The more he did it, the more I did it.
So why did they keep going? Everyone else dropped out. Why didn't they quit while they were ahead?
Did you ever think people would pay more than $20 for a $20 bill? Crazy, right? But they did, because this game combines 2 things that make your brain go into overdrive: money and competition. Once the $20 mark was passed, people would rather win the auction and lose a little bit of money than lose the auction and lose a lot of money.
What can I say? Money does strange things to people.
Now imagine what would happen if our winner tried to sell his bill to you for $40. You wouldn't go for it, would you?
브레인게임4